Welcome to the quick start guide of the Ecovacs Deebot CEN540 robot vacuum cleaner. Upon opening the box, plug the docking station into an electrical outlet. Place the robot onto the docking station. Be sure that the robot's charging contacts have connected to the docking station pins. Charge for 4 hours. The robot is ready to use. Before use, turn the robot upside down. Make sure that the two side brushes and washcloth are attached. Detach the water reservoir fill with water reattach to the robot. Turn the robot right side up. Switch on the robot. The power switch is located under the robot along the outer rim. Push the clean button on the robot or on the remote control. The clean button on the robot will turn green, and the robot will start moving and cleaning. From this point forward, you can leave it alone and it will clean by itself for up to 2 hours. However, if you wish, you can manually direct your robot's movement by using the up, down, left, and right arrow buttons on your remote control. Pushing the spiral button on the remote control causes the robot to move in a spiral instead of in straight lines. To end the cleaning session, push the home button on the remote control. The clean button on the remote control will turn orange and the robot will return to the docking station. If you do not push the home button on the remote control, the robot will return home by itself after 2 hours or when its battery is low. After using, switch off the robot. Push the top of the robot to open it. Pull out the dustbin by the handles Open the lid, empty the contents into the trash can. The filter fits into one side of the dustbin. Remove the filter, tap clean or brush clean with the cleaning brush provided. Put the filter back into the dustbin. Put the dustbin back into the robot. Careful with the edges. Slide to the edges and close. Push to close the top of the robot. Turn the robot upside down. Brush the side brushes clean with the cleaning brush provided. Detach the water reservoir. At this point, you can remove the washcloth from the reservoir. Empty the used water. And reattach the reservoir to the robot. Wash the washcloth with soap and water. Rinse and wring dry. Once dry or mostly dry, reattach to the robot. Turn the robot right side up. And return to the docking station to charge. This product presentation has been brought to you by KKTV. Thanks for watching.